to stand here for this moment. I am honored that Christie asked me to do this, and having watched her career from its very beginning, from the time she was a pre-med student to her application and entry into medical school, through her residency, her early practice days, and as a colleague and faculty member at the Florida State University College of Medicine, I am extremely proud of all that she has accomplished, and this is indeed a special occasion for me. So Dr. Alexander, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Christie Alexander, as President of the Florida Academy of Family Physicians, recognize the trust my peers have placed in me by electing me to this position. I am committed to serving the specialty of family medicine, the state and national academies, and our members and patients with professionalism and creativity. I resolve to honor this trust and commitment by devoting myself to upholding and maintaining the dignity and official responsibilities of my elected office. So help me God. Christie, it gives me great pleasure in congratulating you on being officially installed as the 73rd President of the Florida Academy of Family Physicians.